Hi, my name
Police BS!
is Star KS, not Police BS, Baron.
BS. Police BS.
My brother is good at soccer, so, and this is my pet birdie, Lucky. Want to tell you, you cannot put them in too much stress. They hate balls, they hate big things. That's like my bird's doing right now. And my dad just helped me out the shower. So I came to tell you that birds have this warm coat that keeps all that stuff in, and Lucky's picking out my hair right now. And ow! Ow! None of my eardrums, Birdie. So that's why I wanted to tell you about birds. Make sure you don't put them near your ears. I'm going to make you soup in a second. Thanks for listening.